Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious bone broth. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of bones, a few carrots, celery stalks, and an onion. Choosing high-quality bones like marrow bones or knuckle bones is key for a rich, nutritious broth. Make sure your vegetables are washed and roughly chopped, ready for the pot. Once your ingredients are ready, place them into a large stock pot. Cover everything with cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged. Bring the pot to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it starts boiling, reduce the heat to a low simmer. It's important to skim off any foam or impurities that float to the top during the first hour. Now for the long cook. Let your broth gently simmer for at least 12 hours, and ideally up to 24 hours, for maximum flavor and nutrient extraction. About an hour into simmering, add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw minerals from the bones. Once cooked, carefully strain the broth through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container. After straining, let your bone broth cool completely at room temperature before transferring it to storage. You can store it in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months in smaller portions. This versatile broth is perfect for sipping, soups, or cooking. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.